In this video we'll show you how to rig CCL subs and how to rig mixed arrays of CCL subs over CCL tops. Let's start with the subs. It is best to first extend the front links and then slide the upper sub forward to meet them. This is the setting for a straight array. An array of CCL subs can be connected in two ways. For a curved array, move the pin of the lower sub to the other hole. At the rear, release the rear link and connect it to the lower sub. Attach the flying frame to the sub. Start with the front links. Attach the extension to the back of the flying frame and move the rear link from its normal position to the extension. Then connect the rear link. And don't forget the safety pin. Mount the load adapters. You are now ready to go. Let's now look at how to rig a mixed array of subs and tops. To connect tops underneath subs, a flying frame is required as an adapter. Let's configure it correctly. The extension must be mounted in the rear position. Each flying frame comes with 2 additional front links. Take them from the storage position and attach them to the frame. Let's bring in some subs. Oh, and hello, Chris. Lift the subs, bring in the tops and connect them. Be careful when operating the chain hoists. Start with the front links. Next, release the rear link and connect it to the frame. You might need to lower the rear hoist slightly to do this. Lift the array and set splay angles for the tops as required. Remove the touring cart. As a final touch, hide the splay link of the lowest cabinet. And again, don't forget the safety pin. That's it.